Right, you join us live on a conversion day, following the principles of the commercial action plan and the toolkit. So let's go in and see what's going on. Follow me. Here we have Liz. Liz is working on Bob business and she's looking at the proactive calling to repeat business. Let's go and see what Becky's up to.
Hello, yes, I can offer you a price match guarantee here at Lee Marston Hotel. That's not a problem at all.
Price guarantee, meeting assurance. And here we have the results of the pace day.
So that's a confirmed varnish break to 10th of October for 13k. Well done team. But the winner today with the best conversion, Gemma, well done. Thank you very much for all your help and hard work.
Yay!
Brilliant. Go team!